I did some research and I found out there was a better germ killer and way to clean my toilet, and I thought I'd share. The magic ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, and it needs to be no more than 3%, which is the kind you can find at any regular store. Put your hydrogen peroxide in a squirt bottle. Hydrogen peroxide contains antimicrobial ingredients and is very biodegradable. Spray the inside of your toilet with the hydrogen peroxide. Make sure to get under the lip of the toilet. Pour about a half cup to 1 cup into your toilet and let it soak. Pull off the lid of your tank and pour 1/2 to 1 cup in there as well. Cleaning from top to bottom is usually the best order to clean your toilet. You can use paper towels, or if you'd like to be more eco-friendly, you can use an old rag that you'll launder appropriately to disinfect it. Spray the lid of your toilet tank and wipe it down. Next, spray and wipe the tank and be sure to clean the handle well. If you can, remove the toilet seat. We have a fantastic toilet lid that you twist to unlock and they pop right off. If you cannot remove your toilet lid, simply lift it and continue to the next step. Use a toilet cleaner brush of your choice and scrub out the bowl. Be sure to scrub well under the lip. Flush your toilet once you are done with this step. Put your toilet seat back on. Spray and clean the lid. Spray and clean the bottom of the lid and the hinges. Spray and clean the toilet seat. Spray and clean the bottom of your toilet seat. If your lid doesn't come off, you would now clean the top of the base of your toilet. Spray and wipe the bottom of your toilet. There are a lot of nooks and crannies here, so be sure to get them all. Remove the small cap that hides the screws holding your toilet seat down and clean that area as well. Clean the cap before returning it back into place. Your toilet is now clean. I hope this inspires you to clean your toilet from top to bottom with hydrogen peroxide. Thanks for watching.